So, you're a real estate agent trying to stay consistent on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and maybe even LinkedIn. But you don't have time to manually upload the same video over and over again on every platform. Well, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Repurpose.io for real estate agents, how it can help you turn one piece of content into multiple posts across different platforms, and how I would set it up if I were trying to generate more visibility, more local attention, and more real estate leads from short form content. And by the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of how Repurpose.io works, what type of content real estate agents should be repurposing, and how you can use it to save time and money by staying more consistent online. Let's dive in. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and test Repurpose.io for yourself for completely free. Once you tap the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you're going to tap on Start Automating for free. And with Repurpose.io, you'll be able to publish up to 10 videos for free. So once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard. Once you're logged in, the first thing I recommend doing is not trying to connect every single platform randomly. Instead, start with your main content platform. So I want you to ask yourself, where do I already post the most? Is it Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook? For most real estate agents, I would probably choose one main platform as the source. For example, if you already post your short videos on Instagram Reels first, you can use Instagram as your source. And to connect your social media platforms, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Connections. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Add Connections. From here, you can see that you can connect TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and all of the different social media platforms. You can also connect podcasts. If it is a case that you record podcasts, you can do that. And you may see below the different social media platforms, you may see source and destination. The source is basically the platform that you'll be uploading your short form video to first. So it will be grabbing the video from that platform and then it will be uploading it or repurposing it, better yet, to the destination. There are a lot of platforms that are also source and destination, as you can see right here. Or you could choose to sign up with Google Drive, and then from there you can add in, for example, a file or your videos on Google Drive, and then you can repurpose it on all of the different platforms. So you have numerous options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts, or TikTok to Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to Facebook. You have numerous options. Or even TikTok to Google Drive or Dropbox if you want to back up your content. That's the basic idea. You're creating a content distribution system. Now let's give it a quick try. All you need to do is tap on the platform. Then from there, you're going to sign in using your login information. You can see that I've signed into Instagram, TikTok, and also YouTube. Now, let's say, for example, I were to create a workflow. So you're going to tap on Create Workflow in the top left-hand corner. After you have selected Create Workflow, you can choose the source, and I'm going to be selecting, for example, TikTok. So whenever I upload a TikTok video, it is going to automatically be uploaded onto YouTube Shorts. And you can add multiple destinations if you want and multiple sources. All you need to do is simply go onto the paid plan, and from there you can set up your content strategy fully. And we're just going to tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, you're going to wait a few seconds. Then from there, you'll be able to customize your automation. So you can see it at the top right here. And by the way, the 2 simply means the amount of TikTok videos that I have uploaded at the moment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select View Workflow. After you have selected View Workflow, from here, all I want you to do next is you're going to tap on Settings in the top right hand corner. After you have selected Settings, from here, if you would like to skip a particular video, you can do that. If you like to skip videos that contain a particular hashtag or keyword, you can select that. Then you're going to select Destination. And if you like to remove the TikTok hashtags, you can simply toggle it on. And you can choose to replace it with a particular hashtag. Or you can simply tap on Use AI to generate posts and captions for you. So you have different options that you can choose from. Next, we're going to tap on content. From here, you could upload an intro file and an outro file. You can also ask them to clip the video for you. So you could tap right here on auto trim. Then you can choose the duration that you would like to upload. Then you're going to tap on advanced. After you have selected advanced, this is where you'll be able to add in the tags that you would like to be automatically added onto YouTube. You can also change the category if you want, and you can change the default audio and language if you want also. Then you can choose to upload a thumbnail if you want, and we're just going to tap on publish. By selecting publish, you can choose whether you would like to repurpose content as soon as it is possible, or you can select repurpose content based on a schedule. From here, you'll be able to schedule when your content is posted. And if it is a case that you would like to use content that you have previously uploaded before signing up to Repurpose.io, you would need to select repurpose content based on a schedule. Then you will simply select content filter. After you have selected content filter, you're going to tap on all content. From here, you can select whether you would like to post content from a particular date or you would like to stop posting content. For example, let's say you started using Instagram in January. In January, you are posting on Instagram, but the content that you were posting, you would like to repurpose those. So you want to start repurposing from February when you more had better content and had mastered TikTok better, Instagram better yet. So you're going to tap on post after a specific date. Then you could tap right here. And let's say, for example, we're going to change it to February. And then from there, if it is a case that you had started from a particular year and you would like to repurpose content from a particular year, you can see that you can do that. You can go up to 2020. So you have different options that you can choose from. Then you can choose the publishing order. Would you like to publish the newest content first or the oldest content? You have different options that you can choose from. Then you can choose how often you would like to publish. 5 days per week. Then you can also set up your schedule. When would you like the content to be posted? So for example, is it a case that you like it to be posted 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. every day? You can do that, or you can change the timing as you can see right here. You're given numerous options you can choose from. And also, would you like to receive a notification whenever it is published? You could simply tap on email me right there and you'll automatically receive an email. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, instead, I'm just going to be selecting right here, repurpose content as soon as possible, just for this video example. After I've done that, I'm going to go onto TikTok. And let's say, for example, I were to upload this video. So I'm just going to tap on post right here. And you can see video has been published. Whenever the content under review has come off and it is visible for everyone, I'm going to be showing you that it is automatically uploaded onto YouTube Shorts. So just give it a few seconds and I'm going to be showing you that. So you can see right here, it has now been published. So if I were to go back into Repurpose.io, once in Repurpose.io, let me tap on check now. After you have selected check now, you're going to see that the video pops up. So give it a few seconds and you can see that the video has popped up right there. Once the video has popped up, it will automatically be posted onto my YouTube channel. By the way, if you manually want to do this, you can simply tap on schedule. If you like to manually do your first video, you can change the title, add in description, and so on, as you can see right here. But remember, I just showed you how you will be able to automate all of this. And all we'll need to do is simply toggle on auto publish. So once you have toggled on auto publish, as you can see right there, turn on auto publish, it is going to automatically push it to YouTube Shorts. And I would definitely recommend that you upload onto YouTube Shorts as a real estate agent, especially if you're doing content that is searchable. For example, first time home buyer tips, things to check before buying a house, should you buy or rent, or how much money do you need to buy a home. There are numerous types of content that you can work with. So now, after the first workflow is working, you could create another workflow from Instagram Reels to Facebook Reels. This makes sense because Facebook is still very relevant for local real estate audiences. A lot of homeowners, sellers, families, and community members are active on Facebook. Now let's check out the pricing of Repurpose.io. Although you can get started for completely free, I would definitely recommend that you explore their paid plan. Their paid plan begins at $35 per month, so that's basically $1.17 per day. And with this option, you'll be able to connect 3 accounts for each social network. So for example, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, multiple TikTok accounts, and multiple YouTube accounts, you can quickly connect them. And you'll also be able to publish up to 5,000 videos per month. Now, if you have a lot of social media accounts, you may consider the Pro option, and this begins at $79 per month. And you'll be able to connect up to 10 accounts for each social network and publish unlimited videos. And the agency option, you'll be able to connect up to 25 accounts and publish unlimited videos also. But for most real estate agents, I would definitely recommend the starter option, because you'll be able to connect all of your social media accounts. If you have a single, or let's say 2 accounts for each social platform, you'll be able to connect all of them, and you'll be able to repurpose up to 5,000 videos. And again, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.